Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up syncing credit cards with YNAB, full guide step by step clearly. To set up syncing credit cards with YNAB, begin by opening the YNAB app or website. Log into your YNAB account using your credentials. Navigate to the Accounts section. Select Add Account to include your credit card. Choose credit card as the account type. Input your credit card's name. Enter the balance and minimum payment if prompted. Next, click on Connect to Bank to initiate the syncing process. Locate your credit card issuer from the list of banks. Enter your online banking credentials for the credit card. Follow the prompts to complete the connection. YNAB will now pull in your transactions automatically. After syncing, review the transactions for accuracy. Categorize any imported transactions as needed. Ensure you record any manual payments made during the month. You can check your credit card balance and spending within YNAB. Adjust your budget as necessary to accommodate credit card payments. Regularly monitor the account to stay updated on your spending. This setup allows for effective tracking of your credit card usage in YNAB. Make sure to reconcile your credit card account each month. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.